Hello everyone. Today I will talk about the Berlin property market. The Berlin property market is something that needs to be talked about because the growth has been quite impressive. So since 2015, the capital gain has been more than 10% year on year. So that means that if you would have invested in a property in Berlin, you would have made more than 50% capital appreciation in just 5 years. So why is Berlin growing so hard? Why is it going up so much? Well, first of all, there is a major housing problem in Berlin. There has been a lot of businesses coming to Berlin, such as Google has their headquarters in Europe there. Tesla has announced that they will have their Gigafactory there. And a lot of other businesses have put their regional headquarters in Berlin. There are more than 400,000 tech jobs in Berlin, and there's a lot of startup companies in Berlin. And beside of that, you also have large universities there, which are always attracting students. So what we're seeing is that Berlin is having a population which has been expanding fastly in the past period. It's so bad even that around 40% of the people that work in Berlin actually need to come and live from another place. So they are commuting from another place just to Berlin because they cannot find proper housing in Berlin. So why do we think that Berlin is interesting as an investment? Now, the second factor, beside of the whole population problem and the stress on the housing market, is that there is no capital gain tax after 10 years. I repeat, if you sell your property after 10 years, there is no capital gain tax. Most countries in the world, almost all countries, have a rate of taxation. If the property goes up, for example, with 50% and you bought it for 200,000 euro, then you will sell it for 300,000 euro. So you'll be taxed on that 100,000 growth. In Germany, there is not such a thing as long as you keep the property for 10 years. Now, another factor why Berlin is such a popular place is because it's a cool place. It's a very cool city. It's a very popular tourist destination. There's a lot of people that want to visit Berlin for a variation of reasons like museums, the nightclub scene, the whole artistic underground area. So it's a very vibrant city. So what we are seeing is that this is putting a lot of stress on the real estate, which is good for investors, but a little bit unfortunate for the people that live there because the prices keep going up. Now, what I am trying to advise you is to have a look on different markets in the world. Have a look at Germany as well. Maybe you will like it, maybe not, but it will never hurt to have a look at different places. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a nice day and goodbye.